When connected to the flood myths of ancient societies around the world, they help paint a compelling picture. His group has roiled the world of astronomy by claiming that catastrophic impacts have occurred much more often than supposed and have actually changed the course of human history. Case in point, the Great Flood. The biblical story of Noah's Ark is simply one version of an ancient story that's found in dozens of myths and legends across the globe.
What I decided to do is to take a look at this worldwide distribution of flood myths, take a sample of those myths. And the sample I selected was 175 locations from across the